Lenyunyana eyingxenye yamadlela ndawonye ne-ANC ithi leli qembu elathembisa ukuthi bazodla ngakhezolunye nalo kubukeka sengathi selikhohliwe ukuthi limele bani.
Lento sikuyo yomdibaniso kufuneka simane sikhumbuza i-ANC ukuthi khumbulani ukuthi ni represent abani i-interest zobani kulomdibaniso esikuwo ka-Government of National Unity. Because khange kube lula before kuwesinguko.
Lenyunyana ifuna ukwazi ukuthi usebenza kanjani umgomo we-ANC wokushenxa kwamalunga abhekene namacala ezinkantolo njengoba obengungqongqoshe wezemidlalo uZizukodwa efungiswe njengelungu lePhalamende kodwa enecala enkantolo.
Asitsho comrades ukuthi siyikhosathu siyatsho sithi asi understand lanto comrade Lindi ka step aside ya step kodwa uphakathi then ungathethi xa uphakathi. As you understand land, step aside, but you are inside, but you are outside. And then you can't speak because you are inside because there's a step aside.
I-ANC ithi bazocubungula umphumela wokhetho.
As the ANC and the Alliance, we will study the outcome of these elections, the causes and effects, and mostly and importantly, how we ensure we regain our political hegemony.